This is the 2025 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS, a day yacht that blends sport performance, luxury comfort, and party boat versatility all into one wild package. If you want full specs, pricing, or availability, head to yachtspecsdirect.com. Up at the bow, you've got a deep U-shaped lounge with a high-low table that converts into a full sun pad. Need to drop anchor? You've got a windlass system with full control right from the bow or at the helm. Down below, the accommodations are way more spacious than you'd expect. There's a convertible dinette that becomes a forward berth, a full stand-up head with shower, and an aft stateroom with a berth, fridge, microwave, and TV. Not just a day boat. You can comfortably overnight here, no problem. Now let's talk power. This GLS is packing twin Mercury V12 600s. That's 1,200 horsepower. At the helm, you've got dual 12-inch Simrad displays, full vessel monitoring, and an intuitive layout that even a new boater can handle like a pro. There's also a Seakeeper 6 on board to keep things stable when the ocean gets rowdy. Control is the name of the game. Dual sunroof panels above and side windows that open at the push of a button. Now here's where it really flexes, the entertainment setup. 2 bar stools face a fully loaded wet bar with a sink, electric grill, fridge, and ice maker. To starboard, full U-shaped seating wraps around a table with tons of storage hidden below. At anchor, drop the dual beach doors and your beam opens up to a massive 18 feet wide. That's not a boat, that's a floating terrace. Want to fish? There's an optional package with rod holders, outriggers, and a fish box. So yeah, it can throw down too. And finally, a power sunshade over the transom gives your guests that extra protection for long afternoons on the water. The 42 GLS checks every box: performance, comfort, space, and insane versatility. For specs, pricing, or to get a showing, head to yachtspecsdirect.com or contact me at the info in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.